You don't think? Go that way. I barely stepped on it. I barely gave it gas.
Right here anyway, you're good.
Come on.
Come on.
Not gonna do it.
Go way out there.
No, you'll be okay.
No, no.
Hit it.
He's not snorkeling. No, don't do it. Hey! No, don't do it.
It's deep, baby.
It's a little deep. Hey! Don't eat the, don't eat the sand. Yeah, but where do we go? Oh, I wouldn't get. We need to either go that way or that way.
Go this way.
I'll try. I don't know if I can
Make
make
a
it.
little drop, man.
Is it? Yeah. No. You gotta wait for that. Go that way.
Go up here, Ozzy.
Yeah. Go more. Don't hit this shit. You wanna go up there?
KDM coming through.
There you go. That way! Hey! I'll go around you. Now we can make this shit too though.
If you want to fucking do it. You just made that.
Nah, fuck that. This is about to get nasty right here. Whoa, fucking bender.
Oh, yeah, the highlight's right that way.
I got a horn. Oops. I got a horn. What?
I did a show called The Kings of the Road. I ain't running from nothing. God got me, woke me up to me.
Fucking YouTube copyright.
Huh?
Fucking YouTube copyright. What you trying to do? Let the sun in?
I don't know, but it's fucking hard to dip though. See, old WD-40 on it.
Yeah. Fucking, it's got 2 years of mud in them.
Yeah. They're moving.
They can go through this shit.
But I don't want to open. I don't want to open it. I can't get it that close again.
Yeah, you can't have audio. More than like 60 seconds of audio. Unless it's copyright and they'll mute your whole video.
So you lost it. The mud helps. Makes you slide better.
You coming?
Why?
He's wider, huh? goes deeper.